Today we have one of these up lighting, and this specific one has no brand name. So usually it's one of those China deals. So the specific problem with this is bad power button. So let's hit it. Yep, you see, almost went on. Let's try to do it with a pen here. Let's do it again. It could possibly have a battery issue too, but let's put that to the side. Let's try this other one here. One click and it stays in. But yeah, this one has a battery problem. It's dead. But you see the power button is supposed to stay in, and this doesn't stay in. Pops right out. So we're gonna take it apart and try to figure it out. Okay, so this is the other light, this specific one. We said bad battery because we couldn't get this to charge at all. So we're gonna open it up and see what's going on. Come on. It's supposed to pop out. There we go. Got it. Put it to the side. And now let's inspect. Okay, I'm gonna have to loosen this up. So I'm gonna get these bottom screws out. Okay, gotta get this bar out of the way as well. Now it should fall right off. There we go, got it. Goes our battery. First thing we're gonna do is check connections. This looks good too. Yeah, everything looks right. So we're gonna try again by applying power. Okay, so let's plug in and see what we get. I'm gonna power it off. Wow, this felt very loose. Yeah, not sure if I'm happy with this charging port here. Okay, so here's what I'm doing to troubleshoot, figure out exactly what's wrong with the one that won't turn on. I'm actually borrowing the power button from the good working one, and I just plugged into the one that's not working. So right now we're gonna hit the power button over there and see if the screen goes on here. There we go, screen goes on. So that means this power button is bad. It could just be cracked. It could be something on the inside, but we gotta figure out what's wrong with this power button. Okay, so we're gonna take this power button out and go see what's wrong with it. So we gotta get this nut all the way out. There we go, we got it. And we're gonna keep this nut with us. I don't wanna lose it. Okay, let's go investigate. Okay, got our meter in continuity mode. First thing we're gonna do is make sure that these wires are making it right across. So we're gonna start and red over here. That's good. Next, black. Okay, so that means inside of the switch is our issue. Since just got our order from Amazon, and we're hoping these are the right ones. So it comes all of this, but all I need is two. I know they're a little bit different, but I don't care, man. Let's see. Size-wise, shoo, pretty good. Look at that, beautiful. You know, even though the old one is a little bit longer, so I appreciate this one not being too long so it doesn't stick out too much. But otherwise, this one is the one that has a click in. This one, when you turn it on, is flush. So I prefer this better because the fact this keeps getting damaged is because people are trying to shove it in all the way in, and you know what I mean? So I think we're better off with this. I don't know. Whatever you think, leave it in the comment section. But we're gonna go ahead and just move these wires over, and that's it. So let's get our soldering iron on. And also I'm gonna get one of my little arms to stick out. This helps me do a good soldering job. So let's see which was the best way. There you go, right there. Nice. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put these two buttons in. I'm gonna do one at a time. Starting with this one. Get some flashlight over here. Okay, we are now ready for that final test. Power, power. And they're both set to fade. And that's it. We are all set and completed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.